Why do you only care about animals? After all, plants also feel pain. This is Anupam Tripathi from FFAR India. I run an organization working for social causes, environmental and animal rights causes. And in all my seminars, workshops, talks, lectures, ranging from 20 people audience to 300 plus, I often get asked this one question to me as a pure vegetarian and as an animal rights activist, that, sir, why do you only care about animals? After all, plants also feel pain. So let me in this video, guys, settle this question that is asked of every animal rights activist once and for all. There are three reasons, alright, primarily three reasons why you cannot compare animals with plants, and why animals do not feel pain, and why this whole comparison is just so unfair and wrong. Reason number one: plants don't have a brain, they don't have a central nervous system, okay? They don't have a heart that pumps blood all over their body, they don't have organs like pancreas, like stomach, kidneys, liver, etc. When you pinch somebody, a human or the limb of an animal, it feels pain, and the sensory nerve sends the signal to the brain, and then the brain decides what the response to that pinch or that pain would be. All right, and the brain decides on whether the being, whether it's an animal or a human being, would decide for a fight response or what is called as a flight response. Either you'll get away from the painful situation or you would fight back, right? That's what happens with mammals, humans and animals. Whereas in case of plants, all right, when you go and you break a twig, or a butterfly takes away the nectar from a flower of a plant, right, the plant does feel stimuli, right? It is conscious and aware of the fact that there's a butterfly there, or a caterpillar there, or a twig is being taken away, but it does not have a brain or a central nervous system, and hence it does not feel pain. It's aware of it, all right, that its twig is being taken away, the flower is being taken away, the fruit is being taken away, or from a tree a stem is being, or a block of wood is being taken away, but it does not feel pain, and hence it has no response of a fight or a flight kind of a response, for the lack of a brain and a central nervous system, or the lack of vital organs like a heart, pancreas, eyes, ears, all these organs that we have, all these sensory receptors that we have. A plant doesn't have it. All right, so this is the first reason. This is the first reason why it's unfair to compare plants with animals, and why plants don't feel pain. All right, that answers it. The second reason is this, right? When you take away a fruit from a tree, the tree grows more fruits. Okay, when you take away a twig from a plant, the plant grows that twig back again. When you take away a block of wood or a big stem piece from a tree or a plant, the tree grows it back again, right? The plant has that ability. Whereas if you chop my hand, take it away, you chop the limb of an animal, you take it away, barring a lizard which is gifted with growing its tail back, only its tail back, no animal, no mammal, all right, lizard, by the way, comes in the reptile, it's a reptile as opposed to us mammals. No mammal can grow its limb back again. Got it? That's why the comparison between plants and mammals or animals is so unfair. The plant, what you take away from the plant, it can grow it back again. Okay, so that's reason number two. Understood? The third reason is humans, all right, and animal in the animal kingdom, we are not asexual. We need the male and the female to come together, right, and to grow another being, another like being, right? Whereas plants are asexual. Okay, now all you need is a seed. A seed can go into a sapling into a plant into a tree tomorrow, and all the seed needs, the seed is already alive, you just have to grow it, and it needs 3 days to germinate into a sapling. Whereas humans, male and female, or animals, all right, the male and female have to come together, and then they have a gestation period. In dogs from 2 months, humans 9 months, to elephants 22 months, right, to grow one more similar being, right? Whereas in plants, that's not the case. 3 days and a new one is up. And finally, as part of this, as the third reason is also this, that every being, whether it's every human being or an animal, has a unique personality. Okay, you can never replace one animal, even of the same breed, with another. You can never replace one human with another, because every animal or human, all right, has a distinct personality based on its experiences. All right, so every human is different, right, and has a unique personality. So one human cannot replace another, one animal, even one dog of the same breed cannot replace another, because they all have distinct personalities, unique personalities, whereas that is not the case with plants. Okay, you can replace one plant with another one. Custard apple tree can be replaced with another custard apple tree. Okay, a mango tree can be replaced with another mango tree. All right, grass can be replaced with the same grass again. All right, so that's the third and the final reason of why it is unfair to compare plants with animals. And I hope that answers the age-old question that is asked in the audience, always by one person, some way or the other, one mischievous person who will always ask, "Sir, why you only care about animals? After all, plants also feel pain." I hope that answers this question. Thank you. Let's take another example, all right? God forbid your house is on fire, all right? And I happen to be the firefighter. You call me, I rescue you into safety from the burning house, right? I rescue your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your granny, your grandpa. And finally, who's left in your house? One little poodle dog stuck in the third bedroom of your house, which is filled with fire, right? And you ask me, Mr. Firefighter, please, please, please save my little poodle. I rush in to save the poodle. I find him in that room. He's a little scared. He's in a corner. He's trying to protect himself from the fire, right? I grab hold of him, and just then I remember, hey, plants also feel the pain, right? I dump your dog there itself. I rush to the kitchen to save the cucumbers, the carrots, the onions. Would you want me to do that? Why? Because plants also feel the pain. Would you want me to do that? Would you want me to prioritize the cucumbers over your poodle dog? Hey guys, so I hope that answered that age-old question, right? Now, if you like this video, do not forget to smash the like button. Do share it with your friends. If you're an animal rights activist, a vegetarian, a vegan, and you ask this question often, share it with all your friends to answer this age-old question of why do plants not feel pain, or plants also feel pain, right? And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the red button, the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that button, right, so that you can get more such content that I make in future. And finally, if you'd like to support my NGO, FFAR India, which is a 100% charity working for social causes, environmental causes, and animal rights causes, and you'd like to contribute to it, donate to it, either through PayPal if you're sitting abroad, or through Paytm sitting in India, or through internet banking transfer, through check, or any of such modes and means, you could do so. The details are in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Adios and Jai Hind.